Okay, Rose and I are doing half-cup bee titrations for oxalic acid residues. We've treated all the hives in this yard with different types of treatments, and now we're coming back every week to see how much residues are on their bodies. We have the titrant here. We've already filled the cups. Some of these we've already washed. You can see the difference in colors from them. This would be original color. This is after the acid. You can see the lighter changes from bluish to greenish. And we have the cups laid out and numbered on top of the hives. So I'm going to do this one right now for hive number 22. I'm going to take a bee sample from here. So open the hive, puff of smoke. Well, we're blinded, but I can tell here this is two hung Canadian strips right here. So I'm taking all the samples from a comb near the treatment. You don't see it makes much difference. Pull the bees out here. Check for the queen. No queen. Maybe not quite enough bees, so I will take one more comb, a few more bees. Check for the queen. Okay, we got plenty of bees now. Again, check for the queen, no queen. Bang the bees down. Shake off a level half cup of bees here. Dump them in. Put them in. There you go. We tap the bees back into the hive. And now I'm going to wash them. Chimpanzee 1, chimpanzee 2, chimpanzee 3. I'm making sure that they all get covered and rinsed over and over again with the analyte solution. So we're up to about 7, chimpanzee 8, chimpanzee 9, chimpanzee 10. Okay, so these are now well rinsed. Now the bees are still quite alive. This does not harm the bees in any way. We shake them out like this. We dump these bees unharmed. You can take a look right here, back in front of the hive. And in 2 or 3 minutes, they'll all be back inside the hive. Now take a look at the color of the cup compared to the starting color right here. Can you see that difference? So it's changed from that blue-green to that greenish color. We will then titrate that to bring it back to this color, and that will tell us how many micrograms of oxalic acid equivalents were on those bees. We can divide by the roughly 315 bees in a half cup sample and figure out on the average how many micrograms per bee there were on these after each of these treatments, and compare the acid distribution by different types of treatment applications. All right.